Commanders, good morning. Advocate Busisiwe Mkhwebanelo, the convener eMpumalanga Province, Yomkhonto Wesizwe. Sila Steve Tshwete Local Municipality, sizomacha bahlali base Steve Tshwete, niyamenywa nonke izani, simachela ukuthi sibawa justice for ifamily kaMlondi, ifamily yakwaSibanyoni, ifamily yakwaMagagula, who were allegedly hit or killed by a municipal truck. So sizofuna impendulo kwamasipala. Niyabizwa nonke asihlanganeni old Pick n Pay Park ngo 10 o'clock. Nawe kuvelela asistopeni le zingozi ezenziwa matruck wakamasipala. Thank you.
They are delivered inside. Ngale laba basazodila nabo because they are impacting service delivery. You understand? So nabaqeda ukathenda thina sifonela uMMC ngoba uMayor anjalo uMayor no
Commanders sethi simoya commanders akesimamele kancane commanders
so it's good ukuthi asiyothola director siyothola iMMC ezolisina to this memorandum. So we apologize because azange sanikeze feedback nasicela ukunegotiate namaphoyisa because kuhlehle vele fanele kube ngabazange basinike ne so khona manje silinde uMMC. Yes, all right.
Wena umlondi awuphendule wemasipala awuyipropaganda awutshela ukuthi umlondi wenze wemasipala awuyipropaganda
Terrorizing truck yakwamasipala phansi. Commanders, good morning.
Morning, Commanders.
We are delivering this memorandum namhlanje nge-7 zaka May 2025. Mpumalanga Umkhonto Wesizwe with the assistance the other commanders from other provinces. Sizela city sicela ukuthi ni resolve this tragic and preventable death which happened to Baby Mlondi along with unresolved incidences the families zakaSibanyoni zakaMagagula. It's now over 8.
Kwaza mkhonto kwaza uphindelele kwaza mkhonto kwaza kuze kuzwele kwaza mkhonto kwaza uphindelele kwaza mkhonto kwaza sekuzongena umkhonto wesizwe gerilabo sithi nkokoko zulana masa sekuzongena umkhonto wesizwe gerilabo